All right, guys, welcome to another live stream. Welcome to another live stream. Happy Wednesday. Okay, so BTC, in my opinion, 80K is very imminent. 80K is very imminent. We just finished the election. Obviously, Trump won. We don't talk politics on this channel. It's a finance channel, but obviously the markets have taken a liking to the outcome of the election, and BTC is going on a tear, right? So if you don't remember, or if you're not caught up with the all-time highs and things like that, the all-time highs for BTC was 73.2, 73.4, and yesterday, after the election results, or as we were getting close, it shot up past that all-time high, right? And right now it's pretty much sustaining above that all-time high, and right now it's at 75.8. So very bullish for the market, or very bullish outlook for the market as far as price action, right? Now, whoever you voted for, I'm not sure. I don't get into the politics, but I'm just stating what's going on, right? So yeah, let me do a quick mic check before we take a look at these charts. Let me do a quick mic check. Give me just a sec. Let me do a quick mic check. Give me just a sec. Quick mic check, quick mic check. Quick mic check. Okay, it don't give me any notifications. All right, quick mic check. Hello? Quick mic check, quick mic check. All right, cool. All right, so yeah, mic is working. If it doesn't work throughout the live stream, just let me leave a comment in the comment section. But yeah, let's take a look at these charts. Let's take a look at what BTC is doing. It looks very good. It looks very bullish. So if you're a crypto investor, again, you should be excited. Like we've been saying in our past live streams, my past live streams, that 100K in my opinion was imminent. Right now we're looking towards 80K, but I think right after 80K we're shooting into the 90s fairly quickly, and then by the end of the year I think we're going to hit that 100K mark, right? That's just my opinion. This is what I've been saying, right? And it looks like we're heading towards that. So let me share my screen so that way we can look at some of these prices. And even if you look at the fear and greed index, right? The fear and greed index basically tells you, okay, this is what the market is, how the market feels. Do they feel fearful or do they feel greedy, right? Now, obviously, for these last 2 to 3 months, we've been ranging in that, that 40 range. And honestly, before that, we were down below 40. We were like 39, 35. So we got pretty low on the fear and greed index, but we're moving up pretty high. And typically when we're in the bull market, it gets to around that 80 to 90 range. Okay, so we're heading towards that. I think as we get to 80K, that's the fear and greed index is probably going to be at 75, 80, right? And as we get to 100, probably get to 90, and possibly beyond. So yeah, let's go back. Let's take a look at these prices. So right now, very very bullish. BTC is sustaining 75, right? We broke out. This is so bullish, right? We've had this cup and handle for at least 5 to 6 months, right? We started the cup and handle in March. We started the descent down in March and all the way to, pretty much September timeframe, right? And we bounced back. Obviously, October is very bullish. And in September wasn't that bearish, right? I mean, it was bearish in the beginning, but we actually ended September up, which was historically not the case for BTC. We historically end September very bearish, right? But we ended it up. So there's a lot of things that happen this year that typically don't happen. We typically don't break all-time highs until after the happening. And then also September's typically historically bearish, and both of those things happened, uh, you know, to break kind of that cycle that we see. But yeah, if you look at it, I mean, if you have a chart that's doing a cup and handle for, since March, so March, April, May, June, July, August, September, around 7 to 8 months, and it now breaks it, is so bullish. I mean, this is just following the 4-year cycle pattern, and like I said, I don't think we don't see 100K BTC by the end of the year. It's just my opinion. Now, what this is doing to alts, this is basically bringing up the whole alt market up, right? So let me move this screen right here. Right, Ethereum shot up. Remember, Ethereum was at 2,400. Now it's about to hit 2,700. And again, as BTC makes new all-time highs, as it keeps making new all-time highs, I think you're just going to see that liquidity flow into altcoins, right? And again, like I've been mentioning, we're going to see a lot of these narratives that are really hyped, like the AI and DePIN narrative. They're going to be going first, in my opinion, right? Those narratives that get the most attention, and the way you know that your crypto narrative gets the most attention is if you're on things like Discord or X, right, Twitter. You could see like where the retail is kind of focused on, and maybe not even retail, right? Crypto people. If you follow crypto news on X, you'll see, okay, people are leaning towards this narrative. A lot of people are leaning towards AI. A lot of people are leaning towards DePIN. So I could see that narrative taking off first, and maybe a lot of the liquidity from BTC, as BTC makes new all-time highs, that liquidity flows into those narratives, right? I think Ethereum's going to benefit again. We already see Ethereum at 2,700. Wow, I never even see Solana. Solana's about to break 200. This is actually pretty interesting. Wow, and look at that resistance right there. A lot of people think Solana is going to go to like 1,000. So I've heard some people quote like 15 to 2,000, 1,500 to 2,000. So I think once it breaks this resistance right here, once it breaks this 202, 205, which is not that far away, I think Solana will break its 250 all-time high. So 250, and then from there, who knows? It's just discovery mode, right? There's all that resistance. I mean, you have resistance all the way back from 2021. You have resistance from beginning of January 2024, and it's about to get ready to break that. So I feel like an altcoin season is among us, and I don't think everything will run right away, but I think those popular narratives that we spoke about, like the popular L1s, AI, DePIN, Doge is actually doing pretty well as well. I saw Doge was up 20%. So who knows? Maybe Doge, I mean, it's looking like Doge will get back to its all-time highs. I wouldn't say I wouldn't invest in Doge because it is on the top one page, but I really wouldn't. To be honest, I wouldn't invest in a meme coin just because I don't see the utility. Well, for me, I mean, besides sending money back and forth, it's just a meme coin, right? But I guess if you're good at being any meme coin, why not be in a Doge, right? But again, not financial advice. But I do see Doge getting back to 70 cents this bull market. I mean, it's looking pretty good, right? The chart looks good, cup and handle. BTC making new all-time highs. It's on the first page of CoinMarketCap. So I think this does really well. But again, I'm not invested in it, right? I don't recommend. This is not financial advice, right? I'm just stating what the market's doing. Okay. So yeah, I mean, overall market looks great. Again, no politics on this end, just stating what happened. Obviously, we had the election. some people were going for one side and other people were going for the other side. Obviously, the market took a liking to the results. And I think once we get these rate cuts this month, and then also going into December and going into the new year, I think we're just going to get even more bullish, right? Specifically the crypto market, and I don't know, right? Like Gary Gensler, they were saying they're going to get rid of him. One of the first things that they were going to do, and he's very against crypto. Like, I wouldn't say he's against crypto because he actually did teach crypto at university, but you could see a lot of this, like he was just kind of like slowing the progression down, right? With all this regulatory stuff, all these lawsuits and these, I don't know if it's subpoena or whatever. He was just sending a lot of Wells notices and things like that to all these crypto projects. So it's kind of slowing the space down. So obviously that's why the crypto market has taken a liking to the result, right? But we'll see. I think it's very exciting, especially if you're a crypto investor. I think the market I think we're primed to hit 100K by the end of the year. And then I think 2025 is going to be very special, in my opinion. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.